All right, here we come to the elevators at the Hampton Inn Hotel in downtown Roanoke, Virginia. These are ThyssenKrupp Synergy MRL. These elevators are incredibly busy. We got this one right here. All right, you can come. Are you coming up?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I say, oh my God. So the girl one makes one of
What floor are you going?
9. Yep.
All right, y'all enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got it? Yep. Got my baby courage.
All right, let's go on to L1. These are ThyssenKrupp Synergy MRL. Is it okay if I can ride the other elevator after this?
Are y'all getting on?
Getting on? Going down?
Yes,
Yep.
this is going down.
Thank you.
You're welcome, y'all.
We'll be on America's Home Funded Video.
Is it doing quality control?
We're gonna be on America's Home
You must be the elevator man.
Yep,
Okay.
yep, that's me.
That's me.
I'm actually an elevator enthusiast. I film elevators for a hobby.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do y'all know the other elevator user named Diesel Doocy? Because he's the famous user here.
Well, now we know about him. Thank
We
you.
going on?
Sound full.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you too.
This is the elevator car I was referring to. I'll just get that one. Anyways, thank you so very much for helping me out, ma'am. All right, here's this elevator car right here. I'm gonna have to noise over the music because I don't want to get a copyright notification or anything like that. All right, this one's a little bit bigger. All right, you can go and select the card. They actually replaced the floor buttons on this one.
Yeah, we actually just got this elevator fixed.
Did this thing break down? Yeah, I've heard like a lot of problems about this elevator like getting stuck.
Yeah, they just fixed it, so it's okay now.
Because when this building was built, I've heard when it was being built, some of the construction people got stuck in the other one.
Oh, okay.
Andrew told me. Just have to ring the bell. Anyways, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Seems bouncy.
Yes.
Anyways, I'm not gonna open up this door because this leads into like a housekeeping kitchen area or something. Anyways, these are fixtures. You know, Andrew Reeves is Diesel Doocy. You can check him out, elevatorfan.com.
Have a good one, guys.
All right, here we are. All right, I'm gonna watch this close. There it goes. All right, there it goes, that one. There they both go, and that will be it.